Well, here we go. We have another snowstorm that just picked up today, which is Thursday. I just want to show you what the trees look like. That's what the trees look like. Now, this is down the driveway. I still haven't finished with the snow blowing yet this morning. Snow blower was getting a little tired. Yeah. And yeah, I gotta uncover my boat here. The sun is starting to come out. I can see the sun just trying to peek out of there. Yep. But we lost power this morning at 1 o'clock in the morning, maybe earlier than that. I woke up at 1:30. There was no power and the house starting to get cold. So I didn't put the generator on until 6 o'clock this morning. I do have some lines that are hanging right here, and it could be a problem with my power. I don't know if everybody else has lost power, but this is exactly what it looks like. Power lines. This is you can tell by the snowfall that we had quite a bit of snow. Yep. And road looks like they plowed a little bit on the road. Guess I'll have to take care of that. Yeah, they did plow a little bit, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna have to clean that up when I get back. I gotta go pick up some more gas because we have no power basically. We have no power, and here's our big tree here. Yeah. They sanded the road, and now Mom has to be at work. It's a 2-hour delay. Yep. And I don't know if you can hear the generator, but I'll tell you, it's quite a bit of snow, considering there's a lot of snow. Warming up the car. I'll bring Mom to work, and I got some gas cans in the back, so I'll put some gas in, because the generator is going to need some gas. Now the generator runs our heat, our lights, our TV, and this is a satellite up there. Well, actually it's not a satellite, it's just basically antenna. So we get 23 stations. Yep. And there's our generator right here. It's going. It's working for us. Yeah. Gotta clean the steps. Haven't done that yet. It's too early in the morning yet. A little bit more cleanup to do. Just keeps on piling up. Doesn't stop. Just keeps on going. Yep. Eventually, we'll have it all picked up. 2 more months, it should be melted, I hope. We'll be taking the boat out. Yep. That's it.